Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn the benefits of juicing. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. When you eat food, the body tries to break it down as much as it can to find any nutrients in what you've chosen to eat. Then it sends any nutrients to the 100 trillion cells that make up you, and the cells use those materials to regenerate, so you literally are what you eat. When you're juicing, the juicer extracts all the nutrients from the fruits and vegetables for you, saving your body energy because it doesn't have to break down all the food itself. It can absorb the juice quickly and use its saved energy to heal and repair. If you asked me what was the one thing you could do to transform your health today, without a shadow of a doubt, I'd tell you to get a juicer. Here are 10 of my reasons why juicing is so good for you. Number 1. Juicing is the fastest way of getting nutrition into the body. Your juicer extracts the juice out of fruits and vegetables by separating it from the fiber. So, you're left with a juice and a tasteless pulp at the end, because all the goodness has been taken out. The juice, full of phytonutrients, vitamins and minerals, is very easy for your body to absorb, which means it gets to your cells quickly to nourish and repair them. Number 2. Juicing is an easy way to eat enough vegetables. Most of us struggle to chew our way through enough vegetables, or we get stuck in the same salad rut. To combat the trend of ill health in the Western world, 10 servings of fruits and vegetables each day is what we need to aim for, and juicing is the ultimate head start. Number 3. Juicing protects heat-sensitive nutrients and gives them to you. The heating process in cooked and processed foods destroys the micronutrients in vegetables by changing their chemical composition. Juicing raw vegetables harnesses their highest possible nutritional value. Number 4. Juicing is the antidote to the modern, acidic diet. When you feed your cells acid-forming foods like sugar, white flour, alcohol, coffee, and meat, the blood becomes acidic and the body will start to struggle. To balance the effects of an acidic diet, we need to significantly increase our intake of alkaline-rich foods, you guessed it, like vegetable juices. Number 5. Juicing is a quick way to change how you feel. One fresh juice, on an empty stomach, every day will start to give you more energy and improve your mood. And the variety of minerals, vitamins, phytonutrients, and enzymes protect your cells from disease and premature aging. Number 6. Juicing helps you absorb more nutrients from vegetables. Most of us have busy lives and our diets are suboptimal, which for more and more of us means that our digestion has become impaired and it's harder for the body to get the nutrients from our food. Because the juicer does the hard work in separating the juice from the fiber, it's far easier for the body to take in most of the nutrition. Number 7. Juicing gets you more compliments. You're made up of around 100 trillion cells, so when you drink fresh juices and your cells become clearer and healthier, you'll start to look different too. Better skin, a glow, healthier hair, weight loss, better mood, and more energy are some of the side effects. Number 8. Juicing is a lifeline when you're sick. We're surrounded by stress in our diets, environment, and lifestyles, and juicing is one of the best ways to keep the immune system healthy and prevent illness. There are thousands of testimonials for using juicing to turn chronic illnesses and conditions, from allergies to diseases. Number 9. Juicing gives you that extra spring in your step, no matter how healthy you are. Even if your diet is squeaky clean, nowadays where stress and environmental pollution are unavoidable, juicing makes sure your cells and blood are getting all they need to stay clean, nourished, and hydrated. Number 10. Juices are simple to make and kids enjoy them too. All of us need excellent nutrition to be healthy, especially children as they grow at a rate of knots. Having a juicer in the kitchen will let you introduce them to loads of raw fruits and vegetables, and in general, if they've made it, kids will want to drink it. Juicing is one way to keep healthy. Juice only what you'll drink at once. Harmful bacteria can grow quickly in freshly squeezed juice. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best, from the 5-Minute Health Tips team.